Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So join me today as I show you how I mix my bread dough and also how I make use of my conventional oven to make this yummy delicious bread. So if you're looking to owning a mini bakery, I'm always available. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link in the description section. Always feel free to contact me for your bread production, for your snacks production and on. So let me take you into my mini bakery and show you guys how to make this. This is an industrial bread production, and like I said, if you are looking to making the best bread and snacks, I am always available for you. I'll be dropping my link in the description section.
So this is the mixer we are using. This is 30-liter capacity mixture. So you have to push this so that it takes the bowl up. Then you fix in, before then you have to fix in your dough hook. Then set the mixer to 1 or the list of the numbers, or maybe the list of the maybe anti-clockwise or clockwise, depending on what they write on your own, but let it be at the least hook for mixing. So then the second one there is for maybe for pastry and all that. Then the last one, which is 3, is for whipping. You use those whip hook for it. So the first one is for the dough hook for mixing. So once you have put everything, I'll put my flour and other things inside. So we switch it on. So before then you get your pan ready, you have to oil or grease your pan and get it ready. Once everything has mixed in well, then you have to switch it off before you change the wheel. So you are changing to 2. You are changing the speed. Here is the oven that we are using. Before as you are doing the mixing, you have to set your oven on. So this oven uses both gas and electric at the same time. So I don't know the type of oven you may be using for your own. So this oven is the on and off switch. You on it and off it from here. This is on and off switch. Here is the for temperature control, and here is the timer. Here is the timer. Then here is the gas light. In case if the gas is finishing, it will show here. So this is the oven. So I'm baking between 150 to 160 degrees. That is why. So what it does, it will increase up to 150 and then it will start going back again. It's regulating the temperature so that it will not be too hot. This is the inside. It uses fan. This is the inside. So now we'll come back to the dough. As you can see, the dough is coming together. It's combining together. At this point, you have to check your dough. You see that it has not set well. It has not developed the gluten. So you have to also continue the mixing until it will be stretchy and develop gluten. So we are going to stop the mixer now. Look at it. See, there is a difference now. See, it's difficult for me to drag it. I'm dragging it. See, and look at it. See. See? So it's developing the gluten little by little. So I'm going to allow it to knead a little more, then we set for us to start cutting. So our dough is ready, so smooth, can you see? So it's ready. Look at it. See? So it's drawing. See? See? So it's ready. You can see it. So I'm going to remove it from the mixer. Then we'll cut it immediately. You're not going to allow it to rise or anything. We start cutting it immediately. See? We'll start cutting immediately. Look at it. See how it's drawing, stretching. So that is how your dough is supposed to be. See it. So we're going to leave it, start cutting it, immediately, and put it in our pans. So see you then. That's the next stage we are going.